when a substituted benzoic acid is used, like this. Or COOH CH3 COOH CH3, and this compound does not have any substitution. See, in this the methyl group is at ortho position, this is at meta position, this is at para position. Now take this example, COOH chlorine. See, these are all electron donating group, whereas this is electron withdrawing group. COOH Cl. This is COOH with Cl, and this is without anything, COOH. So remember here, whether the electron donating group or electron withdrawing groups are there at the ortho position, it is stronger acid. Remember this point. We call it as ortho effect also. Ortho effect. So due to ortho effect, when a electron donating or electron withdrawing groups are present at the ortho position, there will be a higher acidic strength for the benzoic acid. I represent this as A, B, C, D. Order will be A greater than D, greater than B, greater than C. Remember, this is the order of acidic strength. Means ortho highest, then without anything, and these are all electron groups. So meta, then the para. Just here, COOH COOH with the Cl, electron withdrawing group. COOH at meta position, COOH at para position. A, B, C, D. What will be the order of resistance? See, ortho B greater than, meta greater than, para greater than, without anything. This is the order. Ortho effect is combination of steric factor as well as electronic factor. Steric factor, the bulky group. These are the reason for that ortho effect. See, steric factor, the presence of the bulky group is the driving force for the release of hydrogen also. Bulky groups, the CH3 group, are nearer to that COH group. So when the ortho position is there, like this COOH, CH3, the release of this hydrogen is easy. So more acidic. Physical properties of carboxylic acid. First one, C1 to C4 are liquids with pungent smell. Irritating smell will be there. Vinegar, you can smell it because it irritate your nose. Then C5 to C9 are again liquid but with lesser pungent smell. Whereas above this are waxy solids. The first one. Second one, lower members are soluble in water. Why? COOH CH3 you say. Water OH. So with this there can be a hydrogen bond due to the ability to form hydrogen bond. Number of carbon increases. Non-polar alkyl group increases, solubility decreases. Means higher members are insoluble in water. Boiling points are greater than alcohol also. Why? ROH, delta minus delta plus, ROH, delta minus delta plus. So hydrogen bond. Alcohol contains hydrogen bond, so their boiling point is greater than corresponding alkane. Take a carboxylic acid, RCOOH, RCOOH. So this becomes the delta minus, this is the delta plus. This is delta minus, this is delta plus, this is delta minus. Hydrogen bond, hydrogen bond. Stronger hydrogen bond. Here also one hydrogen bond, here also one more hydrogen bond. Means two hydrogen bond will be there. And they diamerizes also. Means RCOOH. Two times that form they will be there. Stronger hydrogen bond will be there in the carboxylic acid from two places. Here one hydrogen bond, here another hydrogen bond. More boiling point. And when the branching increases, boiling point decreases. Say butanoic acid and 2-methyl propanoic acid, their molecular formula is same only, but butanoic acid will have the higher boiling point than that of the 2-methyl propanoic acid because there is one branching. Higher the branching, lesser the boiling point. Reactions of aromatic carboxylic acid, that is benzoic acid, CO, benzoic acid, if you consider. So this will withdraw the electron to this side, so that electron will be withdrawn to here. So there is a resonance possibility here. So what I get? Here the positive charge C11O minus OH. Now to nullify this, electron will be withdrawn to here. So what I am going to get? I get another resonance structure where positive charge is in this carbon. O minus OH. Now this electron will be withdrawn. So I am going to get another structure with double bond here, double bond CO minus OH, and I have a positive charge here. So to withdraw this, what happens then? The electron will be withdrawn here, this will be withdrawn here. So I am going to get a double bond here, COOH, where the electrophilic substitution can take place. Can the electrophile attack here? This is para position. Para position is already electron deficient. No. Can the electrophile attack to the ortho position? Electrophile is electron deficient, ortho also electron deficient. No. So, ortho para position electrophilic substitution will not occur. Then what is the chance? Only the meta position. So, ortho meta. Ortho meta. So, when the benzoic acid is treated with the concentrated HNO3 in place of sulfuric acid, or if you go for the nitration, if you go for the bromination, I get meta electrophile substituted product rather than the ortho or para. What is that? COH is a group which shows minus R effect, minus M effect. See, if the electron withdrawal takes place towards the group, it is minus R effect. Away, it is plus R effect. So your electron is withdrawn towards the group, minus R effect is there. So it is meta-dielectric. Benzoic acid with concentrated HNO3, concentrated sulfuric acid heated. What I get? Nitration. I am going to get meta-nitrobenzoic acid along with water molecule. I am going to get meta-bromo-benzoic acid along with HDR. Note on this. This one. See, this is actually Friedel-Crafts reaction, but benzoic acid will not show Friedel-Crafts reaction because this AlCl3 will be reacting with the COH group. So I will not get this product. I am not going to get. AlCl3 will be coordinating with here. Nor in this case also. CH3, COCl, Friedel-Crafts acylation. No reactions will be there. Means I am not going to get This product I am not going to get. Remember this fact. See, uses of methanoic acid. First one is used as a coagulating agent for the rubber latex. See, rubber latex is colloidal in nature. It should be made hard. Then I can use this methanoic acid that becomes the harder mass. Then in the tanning industry, tanning of leather, there we are using it. And in the textile industries, we are using it as mordant. And in the treatment of gods, biology student will be knowing this. And in the preparation of insecticide, uses of methanoic acid. One thing is table vinegar, that is 4.4 to 8% acetic acid. Acetic acid name comes from that smell of vinegar only, acetum, which is souring and antifungal agent for pickles and salads. Then, as I mentioned, this acetic acid also can be used for coagulation of rubber latex. What is coagulation, etc.? You are studying in surface chemistry chapter. Then, manufacture of cellulose acetate, artificial polymer or synthetic polymer cellulose acetate. In the preparation of white lead, which is used as a pigment, or lead tetraacetate, which is an oxidant. There also we are using it.